Let's start our analysis, and today just want to see what Euro USD has in store for us. So real quick, I'm just going to start from the daily time frame and react to what price has been doing basically. So on Euro USD, we've seen that the market has been on an uptrend for a while, and my anticipation is probably the market has that a possibility of going all the way to retest this level right here. Let me just have these right there, probably around that level. So that is what I see on Euro USD. So if that is my anticipation, so I think for now I should just continue looking for more buys opportunity, and let me just concentrate on the current market price. So all we've seen is the Euro USD has been giving us amazing highs and lows, swing high, swing low, something like this, this kind of a play. And my anticipation, like I say, just to see Euro USD going to retest this level right there, right? So I'll go to the H4 and try to understand what price is doing over here. What is this Euro USD doing around that level? So what am I looking for? I want to see a bullish continuation with a flag, with the rising wedge, whichever, as long as it is a sign that the bulls are in control of this pair right here. And once I identify that, I'm going to see when the bulls are dominating the market and when they're ready to take the market all the way up, and that is when I go in for my entry. So for now, let's just talk about this level right here, because that was the last the previous two, because this 1 and 2, that is how I like to draw my trend line, starting from the previous two, 1, 2. Now on the third, that is where I should be anticipating my entry property. So as of now, from the daily 4-hour time frame, I see that Euro USD is printing this kind of a pattern. So that to me is not a sign to tell me that bulls are already dominating this market right here. So this is what I'm anticipating. I want to see a clear bullish trend or a bullish push, something like this level right here, or something like this, right? Strictly bulls. I don't know if you guys are getting what I'm saying. Now if you look at this right here, this was a sign that bulls are dominating right there, sign that bulls are dominating, sign that bulls are dominating. Now compared to this, that is no sign for bulls right there, right? So I want to see this kind of behavior right here, and let's just remove this one. I want to see probably maybe when market opens, maybe she might drop, then that is when I might anticipate bulls, wait for correction, and I'm looking for my entry all the way, at least targeting 3%, something like this, right? Or probably, let me just remove this, probably she might just give us a good impulse, which might be good, and then wait for a pullback, something like this. Then that is when I'm going to take my entry. If I don't get a pullback, of course I'm not going to take that entry. And of course, if I don't see signs that bulls are coming in, and the market continues moving, I'm not going to take that entry. So let's just talk about gold real quick. Let's just talk about gold. Sorry about that. Yeah, right there. So I'll go to the daily time frame and analyze this pair. Now gold is looking like consolidation, and I've not taken any entry on gold because I just wanted to see a clear trend. But for those who are day trading and scalping, of course we can't miss any entry, right? So go to the H4, and I think all we need to concentrate on basically is this level right here, this level right here. And of course, if you look at this, that was a sign that bulls were dominating. Bulls came in, just like I just talked about on Euro USD. Yeah, so you see, this is a sign that bulls are dominating. So that's a good sign to go in. To get ready to go in, right? Now if you look at this is what Euro USD is printing. That's not a sign for bulls, that's a sign of consolidation for bears, right? So I'll need this kind of behavior on a Euro USD and a correction to go in, right? So good. And now we see gold already did that. Basically this was a good continuation right there. Let's just adjust that right there already. So that was broken, right? At the same time there was this possible in fact that's not a possible, probably this is a quarter model pattern right here, and anticipation is to see maybe gold touching the skies. Of course, right now all we see that bulls came in. All this push was a sign that bulls came in. Now if I want to go in for buys on gold, already, my anticipation was to see gold of course dropping a little bit, then I was to look for entry right there. But this, to me, this let me just highlight this right here was just was not at least 50% retracement of the fib, right? So that's why I never took this entry right there. So that was not at least 50% retracement. So my anticipation is I'm still going to maybe see gold pulling back. Okay, let's identify there's also this high that it broke. Of course, anticipation is probably, what if, let's just highlight this right here, but then gold is crazy. What if gold comes back, then retrace, then pushes all the way up? This might also be another possible quarter model pattern. Let me just draw it nicely. If it does that, that is because these are just anticipation. If it does this might be a quarter model type of pattern, which is a good sign that we want to continue going up. At the same time, the reason why I'm also anticipating this pullback is because of this level right here. Probably there's I don't know, ICT liquidity comes back, grab that liquidity, and then we see gold touching the sky. Let's just see what Fibonacci is telling us. Probably let's say it starts to retrace from this level right there. So yeah, it kind of makes sense if it does that, blah, 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 blah. Or if it continues pushing, I'm still going to wait for a pullback. Probably let's just have it, probably it goes and retrace, then we're going to look for gold entry, that is buy entry. But for now I think she's still bullish, which is amazing. So all is left is just wait for a correction. Now once we identify that correction, it might even not go all the way down right here. It might go and retest right here, right? It might come back. I want to see if it comes back. I want to see reaction around here. If we get a confirmation, then I'm going to look for buy entry. But then if it continues going up, I'm not going to take that entry. So let me just talk about GBP USD. I think GBP USD and gold, those are just somehow correlating pairs. So probably they just doing the same thing, right? Good. So GBP right here. First thing, let's talk about the touches. We've had 1, 2 right there. Guys, just the same thing, yeah. So there is no sign that bulls are coming in. Look at that. That is just sign that bears are coming in. We're just going to repeat the same thing, guys. That's how I do my analysis. So all I just want to see signs that bulls are coming in, something like this, So I want to see GBP USD when market opens. I want to see an impulse. I don't want to see this kind of play right here. I don't want this. Let me just do this. I don't want to see something like this. No, my anticipation is I want to see bulls pushing this joint. Then that will be a good sign. From then, wait for my correction, then look for my entry right there, then boom, that is a good entry on GBP USD. So I don't need to do anything, guys. At the same time, even if I add this trend right here, there is also another sign that Euro USD, GBP US, sorry, I might try to go up. This channel right there, this one, is a good sign. So that is what I'm anticipating on those pair, GBP USD, Euro USD, UC, and gold, probably the same. Now let's talk about I think that's it. I don't need to go into other pair, guys. Remember, guys, I'm giving out free signal. If you want to join my Telegram channel, check out the link in the description box below. And also, if you want to join my premium group VIP, that is Fast and FX VIP, for free, I'm giving a free lifetime access. For now it's just free. All you need to do, join the Telegram, link in the description box below, and you'll find instruction on how to join my VIP for free, and I'm giving out a lifetime access for free. This promotion is only left with the probably 14 people, and then joining VIP won't be free anymore. So you can take this chance, join VIP for free, and adios amigos, peace.